How to screencast Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 phone to a Samsung TV. So first, start off with your screen having the HDMI no signal screen like this here on your Samsung Smart TV. Then on your phone, you want to make sure you have access to the screencast toggle. This here is a Redmi Note 12 Turbo, but same for the other Redmi Note 12 phone models. So in the quick toggle section, make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled, your Bluetooth is enabled. Then you're going to look for the screencast toggle, which is the most useful tool in all of this screencast connection. So make sure you have it. Then go ahead and long press it. That'll open up the main settings of your screencast. Turn it on, and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see the name of your Samsung TV appear here, and once you see it on the phone, tap on it. And what you're going to do is wait for that little message that's going to appear on your screen like this here. And you're going to use your remote for your Samsung TV and select allow. Once you select allow, it's going to start connecting wirelessly. And you'll see that happen. Then once it's fully connected, you should see your whatever is on your phone being displayed on your smart TV as well. And of course, be sure to enable the auto rotate so that if you enter into landscape mode on your phone, it will also show up in landscape mode on your TV itself. Okay, and that should be it for this video tutorial. If this doesn't work the first time, just turn off your TV, make sure it needs any updates, go ahead and do that. Same for your phone, restart it, and then come back and try again. You can use the quick panel access here to stop the casting if needed, and that is that, my friends. So like and sub, and thanks for watching.